This is a traveling microscope. So when we using a traveling microscope for a measurement, first of all we need to do two adjustments. First one is we need to level this microscope. To level this microscope, there we have two leveling screws there, right? So these are the leveling screws. So you can see that we can rotate this and change the leveling. Then we can confirm whether it is level by using this, by observing this spirit level, right? You can see that there we have a small air bubble. When it is symmetric, it is getting level. So that is the first adjustment. Then second adjustment, we need to, now this is the microscope, right? So you can see that when we remove this lock, we can rotate it like this. So normally we are using that horizontally or vertically, right? Then now this is the horizontal position. So I am locking that. So there we have two lenses. This one eyepiece lens. This is the place where we keep the eye. Then this is objective lens. Then so we can keep the eye like this when observing. Then second adjustment is we need to adjust this eyepiece until we can observe cross wires clearly. We can move it back and forth, right? When it is clear, we can stop that. So this screw is for fine adjustment, vertical fine adjustment. You can see that when we rotating that, it is moving vertically with very small distances. When we consider that horizontal adjustments, there we have a special lock here. So when we lock that, that means when we press that, we can use this fine adjustment screw. When we rotating this, you can see it's moving with small distances. And also if we remove that lock by rotating this, we can move that only this one with large distances. Again we can lock this. So this is the capillary tube. So we can measure diameter, internal diameter of this capillary tube using traveling microscope. So as the first step, we need to keep this capillary tube coaxial with that microscope. So this is how we keep that with the support of a stand. After that, we can observe from here eyepiece.